In 2025, Aston Martin's journey into a new era began with their state-of-the-art factory in Gaydon, Warwickshire, and the launch of the DB9, a car that marked a significant evolution from its predecessor, the DB7. Interestingly, they skipped calling it the DB8 as the DB9 represented such a massive leap forward in design, technology, and performance. The DB9 made its grand debut in 2003 at the Frankfurt Motor Show, capturing attention with its sleek design and powerful V12 engine. A year later, Aston Martin introduced the convertible version known as the DB9 Volante, adding a touch of open-air luxury to the lineup. This car wasn't just another model, it was the first to be built on Aston Martin's innovative VS platform, which became the foundation for all subsequent models produced at the Gaydon facility. Every aspect of the DB9 was designed from the ground up, making it a completely new vehicle in every sense. Before its release, the DB9 underwent rigorous testing, covering millions of miles in some of the world's most challenging environments. From the scorching heat of Death Valley to the freezing cold of the Arctic Circle and high-speed tracks in Italy, the DB9 proved its mettle. It was also tested at Ford's Lommel track in Belgium and at Volvo's Crash Test Safety Center in Sweden, ensuring it met the highest standards of safety and performance. The DB was more than just a successor to the DB7. It was a revolutionary step forward. Thanks to advanced materials like aluminum and composites, the DB9's body was 25% lighter, yet twice as strong as the DB7. This has not only improved the car's performance, but also enhanced its agility. And as the DB9 evolved over the years, so did its power and capabilities. Later versions were equipped with the AM11 V12 engine, which delivered an impressive 517 horsepower and 620 Nm of the torque. Alongside the increased power, the DB9 received upgraded brakes with carbon ceramic disc that offers longer lasting performance and better resistance to wear and tear.